All right, so you can use ChatGPT to correct text, right? You can go, for example, take a text, right? Let's take this text. You can use it to proofread and put it here, right? And maybe put some mistakes in here, add some mistakes that you know ChatGPT can actually be able to correct. And at the bottom, you can write correct. No, not the Visual Basic. Well, please stop. No, no. It actually took the wrong instruction there. So I'm going to copy this thing and I'm going to go to test chat, the other chat. I'm going to just refresh the page because I don't want it to give me that answer. And just so obviously I'm going to click here and go back now. So I'm going to give it another instruction that says correct these mistakes. Right. Right, it says regenerate response. I don't want you to regenerate response, but I'm pretty sure I have to do it now. All right, so I'm going to say, please correct the grammar mistakes in this text. All right. And after that's finished, I would click enter and it will just correct the mistakes in the text. Right. Okay, so I'm going to hit go. All right, text boxes for weight. All right, so you can see that boxes was corrected. Good. Activity was also corrected. All right, so it just corrected everything. So a combo box for activity. So it's just amazing. So you can see that you can even use it for proofreading purposes. So this is also something you can use to make money. On Fiverr, there are proofreaders out there. Proofreading. You can create a proofreading gig and you can start making money as a proofreader. Somebody might give you their book. You can take that book, you can turn it into a PDF, take the text, copy it on ChatGPT, and ask it, please correct the mistakes for me. And it will correct the mistakes for you, and you can make money from it. Now, another thing that you can make money from before we wrap up and move to the last part of the course, which is how you can use ChatGPT not ChatGPT, but how you can use the other design tool that we spoke about, or the other AI tool that we spoke about. I'm going to show you how you can use it for web design purposes. But in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to do translation.